Our final project is a route planning navigation system wherein there will be a starting and destination point. Then, the route will be displayed on any map, and then the result will display the information about the calculated route, such as distance and approximate travel time based on average aircraft speed.
So, simula na tayo. Bale, unang gagawin, magche-check-in muna. Type lang ng yes. Tapos, lagay lang ng name. Example, Nathaniel. Piliin natin yung one. Select destination. Tapos, lalabas na yung mga country na kinode natin.
Pwede tayong pupunta sa Taiwan, Vietnam, China at Malaysia. So, try natin dito sa Malaysia. After nun, need naman natin mag-select ng flight schedule. Halimbawa, July. So, ito yung mga available flights ng July. Pagkatapos natin pumili ng date na gusto natin, pwede din tayong pumili ng planes na available.
So, ayun, after ma-establish yung flight informations nyo by inputting number 4, you can verify if the flight details are yours, displaying your name, destination, schedule, and informing for your plane type. You can also input number 5 to see the estimated duration of your travel. So, in summary, makikita nyo ang very brief and specific yet insightful details for a more convenient flying experience to accommodate you. Thank you for navigating with us.